Carino here. How was your last week? Was it that bad? Oh, what a wet and eventful week it was last week. Great job to those of you who logged on, confirmed your attendance, and followed the directions from my last video. Some of you, however, still haven't completed last week's assignments, and I did not see some of you for the Zoom meeting on Friday. So we still have a way to go. Online learning is a big transition for all of us, you and me. So some of us need some prompting and reminding, and that's fine. You know, we're all trying to get to know how online learning is going to happen. Some of you may take longer to figure it out, and that's fine also. So this week, I'm going to give more video instructions to help those of you who need more of a visual guidance. And there's only one assignment this week. This is where you start with the important documents. This Google Slides document was next to my video in the stream last week. So I wanted you guys to click on that. And it would take you to the important documents checklist. That checklist has 2 stars, student info sheet and online learning contract. Quite a few of you still have not completed these. When you click on student info sheet, it will take you to the form. Now this document is for your parents to sign. Student information sheet. Click next. There's 5 pages. Okay, so this your parents have to fill up. Then going back to this, next you go to the other link right there. That's the online learning contract. This is very important. Please fill this out. You are in an online robotics class. So this must be completed and turned into me because this is a requirement for the class. Okay, so when you fill that up, you could do it and your parents can do it, but the student responsibilities are right here. And then you just go on. There's 4 pages for that. Okay. Under the classwork tab and under important documents are last week's assignments, assignment 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like I was saying in the video, it may seem like a lot, but 5 of these are all just having your parents sign something, okay, and for you to sign something. So that's what the 4 are: the photo release form, the syllabus, the Google Classroom expectations, and the Zoom expectations. Now, assignment number 6, classroom rules, that when you click on that, it gives you 2 files to open. One gives you the classroom rules presentation, and then the other is blank. So all you have to do is reproduce it by retyping the rules and then going back and putting in a picture that is appropriate for that rule. Okay, here's the Google Slide window. When you open it, it will look like this. Okay, Google Classroom Scavenger Hunt, Mrs. Carino. And if you opened it from Google Classroom, you should have your own copy. It will have your name at the front of that file name. Okay, so type your name at the front right here where it says type student name here. Okay, then go to the second slide. It gives you instructions. Number 1, watch the video on each slide to learn about Google Classroom and its features. Number 2, answer the question and insert screenshots to show your understanding of how to use Google Classroom. Okay, so there's 2 things you're going to be doing in this assignment: answering the question and inserting screenshots. Here are instructions on how to take a screenshot if you don't know how. Okay, so when you go to the next slide, here is the video, all classes. You just click the play button, okay, and it will start playing the video.
Hello students, today I'm going to teach you.
I'm gonna stop that. So listen to that and then go to the next slide. And this is for all classes. Here's the video if you want to see it again. There's an arrow. Okay. The question is, how do you get back to where you see all your classes? Type in your answer. Okay, I made it so there's an answer here in a text box, so you just type it in. Then the next thing it says, insert a screenshot of the button that takes you to the class's view. So then you would have to go to Google Classroom and find where that button is and take a screenshot. And then you would insert that screenshot right in here by going into Insert, Image, and then Upload from Computer. Okay? So that's the first question. So the others are the same. So when you go to the next question, to-do list. Okay, just play the video. Okay, then go to the next slide. Answer the question, what is the to-do list for? And then insert, this one is asking for 2 screenshots. Okay, so make sure you read all of the instructions. So there's all classes, to-do list, stream versus classwork. Okay. Submitting assignments. Next, there's comments. Then you have viewing your work. And lastly, drive and calendar. Okay, so the last slide is 16. There are 16 slides in this assignment. And if you made it to the end of this video, here is your prize. Those of you who attended the Zoom meeting last Friday don't need to attend this Friday's Zoom meeting, but the rest of those who did not attend must attend this Friday's Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock. Okay? If you have any issues about attending the Zoom meeting, please email me. Okay, have a good day.